Alright, let's talk about the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro, the phone that's basically a gaming PC in your pocket. It's for folks who take their mobile gaming seriously. And when I say seriously, I mean I need a phone that can handle anything I throw at it seriously. But hey, even if you're not a hardcore gamer, this phone's insane specs and features might just tempt you. This isn't your average sleek phone trying to blend in. This phone screams gamer but in a cool, futuristic way. Think RGB lighting, aggressive lines, and a design that says, "I'm here to dominate." It's a statement piece, that's for sure. Let's talk about what's under the hood. We got the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, up to a whopping 24 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, you heard that right, 24 gigabytes, and storage options up to 1 terabyte. What does that mean for you? Basically, this phone laughs in the face of lag. Games run buttery smooth, even the most demanding ones. Multitasking? Go for it. Open a million apps. This phone can handle it. It's like the Usain Bolt of smartphones. And don't even get me started on the thermal management. Asus really stepped up their game this time, with their Game Cool 8 and AeroActive Cooler X. No more overheating worries, even during those marathon gaming sessions. The display is a gamer's dream. We're talking a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate. That means everything looks incredibly smooth and responsive. Scrolling through social media feels like gliding on silk. And the colors? Vivid, vibrant, and oh so satisfying. But here's the kicker. The back of the phone has this crazy cool Anime Vision display. It's basically a customizable mini-screen that can show off animations, notifications, whatever you want. It's a small detail, but it adds a whole other level of personality to the phone. Section 4, Camera and Battery Snap and Go. Okay, I know what you're thinking, does the camera even matter on a gaming phone? Well, Asus didn't skimp on that either. You get a 50-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. It's not going to replace your professional camera setup, but it's more than capable of taking some great shots for your social media. And the battery life? Let's just say you won't be tethered to a charger all day. With a 5500 milliamp hour battery, this thing can power through even your longest gaming sessions. Plus, it comes with 65-watt fast charging, so you can juice it up in no time. Section 5, Verdict. Worth the hype. So, is the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro the ultimate gaming beast? I'd say it's pretty darn close. It's got the power, the display, the battery life, everything you could ask for in a gaming phone. Sure, it's not exactly subtle, and it comes with a premium price tag. But if you're serious about mobile gaming and want the best of the best, the ROG Phone 8 Pro is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared to turn heads wherever you go.